Guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, codingphase.com, and today I'm actually looking for two developers that could be you. So I'm actually looking for a Laravel developer and a React Native developer, okay? And the reason why I'm looking for you guys is because I'm looking to build a small team. Now, this isn't a job offer. This isn't like, hey, you got a full-time job. This is for people that might have an extra hour, 2 hours, to work on some cool projects, and we work together on these apps. Now, currently, these applications are not making any money. So I want to put it out there and make it very clear. This is not a full-time job, and don't expect full-time work because I don't need you to do full-time work, right? What I'm looking for is someone that can come in and help out and get things started. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be somebody who has years of experience. If you do, hey, that puts you to the top of the list. But if you don't, that's totally fine, okay? As long as you know those two skills, right? Either PHP, Laravel, and good old React Native, okay? Now, like I said, this isn't a full-time job, so I'm not expecting you to go in and put in full-time work, but we do have a lot of work that we could build together, okay? My goal is to start building a couple of applications for the next 2-3 months, okay? And guess what? I'm bringing to the table. I'm bringing the idea, which already has been validated. I'm bringing, my experience of launching applications and businesses online. I'm also bringing in my own money, so we could go in and publish this and get this out there as far as we can, right? Through advertisement, email campaigns, pretty much everything from user-generated content, and even here, this platform, right? We got 100,000 subscribers. I'm pretty sure from those 100,000 subscribers, we could get, anywhere from 500 to 1,000 people who are interested in this new applications. So this is just like one place, right? Of like that we could bring in new customers and new people interested in the products that we're gonna be building. Now, like I said, this is not a full-time job, so don't expect full-time pay. But I am taking into account all of the work that you put in, okay? And you will be compensated. This is things that I like to do whenever I work with anybody. I like to be honest with them and tell them, hey man, I'm keeping track of the work that you do, and I will compensate you in the future as money comes in these new applications. For you guys, you might look at this for experience. You might look at this for working in a team, learning new skills. There's a lot of stuff that I could teach you myself in this process. And also too, you can see this whole plan play out from the inside out, meaning that all of the knowledge and all of the things that you're gonna learn from these projects, you could go in, take it and build your own applications if you want, and learn the whole process of marketing them and getting it out there, okay? And I'm also gonna support you in whatever you do, in any type of apps or ideas that you might have. Again, I'm looking to build, I don't know, what's the word for it? Is it like friendship, like comrades? I don't know what's the right word for it, right? But I'm looking to build people who are hungry to start building and getting it out there, and getting users to use your real applications, okay? So if you're interested in this, send me an email, codingphase@gmail. Of course, you gotta have the skill, okay? I wish I could go in and just bring everybody in. But the truth is, I want somebody that at least knows how to build a Laravel application, at least has built a React Native application and can show me that. Send me an email with your portfolio. Send me an email with a video of a app that you built on Laravel or React Native, okay? Now, this is the last part, and it's very important, okay? I need you to be very comfortable using AI and Cursor, okay? And the reason that is because even though it's just me working most of the time in these projects, you are also going to be joining this team. And the way how we're going to go and run this, in a sense, it's like as if we had a team of 10 developers. But how can we do that with just 3 individuals, right? we need to use AI. We need to use the tools that's available to us so we could expedite things, right? That's the beauty of it, right? That's why it's so cool that we are in this age of AI. So like I said, we need that, right? Laravel or React Native. But this is a must, knowing how to use AI, especially Cursor. So we could go in, crank out most of these applications fairly quickly, right? A lot of times, remember this, that, time is of the essence. Is like you want to get out the applications as quickly as possible, because there's certain time frames that if you're the go-to application for this, guess what? That's how they blow up a lot of times, okay? So I want you to come in and send me an email, okay? I'm interested in getting to see how many of you guys are interested in this role. Like I said, this is not full-time job. This is not me. Hey, I'm gonna pay you per hour. This is people that's gonna work with me. I just need 2 people. Trust me, believe in this process, right? And then from there, I can guarantee you will be compensated, okay? So again, and we could talk about that later on as we start building things, and we'll come up with a structure for it, okay? So like I said, if you're interested in this, definitely send me an email, and I'm looking forward to working with you, all right? Anyways, guys, by the way, for anybody that is watching this, right, these are the skills that we teach at codingphase.com, just in case you didn't know, okay? So links in the description, go check it out. This is one of the reasons I created this platform and taught so many people, because then now it creates a network where now if you have an idea or I have an idea, we can all work together and build some pretty cool applications. So I'm pretty sure there's at least 1 or 2 of you guys that gone through the Laravel course and is like, okay, I would like to work with Joe and see what he got, what he building, okay? Same thing with somebody doing React Native. Guess what? This is a real application that we're gonna get thousands of people in those applications. So come in if you've been wanting to do that. You've been wanting to have an app that you could say, hey, I'm proud of this. I was part of this team. And guess what? X amount of people are working on it, right? And guess what? Come in. Trust me. Send me an email. All right. So anyways, guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, codingphase.com. And like I said, check out the links in the description. And for you guys, send me that email. All right. I'm looking forward to it.